Yeah, sorry about that. Got cut off. So I do want to finish up my instruction here. So what's going to end up happening with the Explore project is the assignment's going to be released on Wednesday, right? And then you'll be working with a partner. It'll be given to you in a Google Sheet that's attached to the assignment when it releases on the Google Classroom. It'll be right after the Mass, so that assignment will be released to you in the morning on Wednesday. You will know who your partner is, which order, congregation, or society that you'll be looking into. I'll give you a website that will give you the all the information you need to research into. Um, and then you're going to be working with that partner to build either a Google slide, a Google Doc, um, answering some information, including some images. It's a lot like the Virtue ones, except different questions and different topic, obviously. So you'll have Thursday to work with your partner on that, obviously remotely, right? So you're going to share a document or a slide with them. You're going to hopefully be contacting them via message, IM, or even in the chat box in the Google apps. And then when Wednesday rolls around, the assignment itself will be due on Thursday. So Thursday night, by midnight, I will need to have the research information submitted to the Google Classroom. And then we will have a Zoom meetup. So some of your teachers might be doing like Google Hangout, which is fine. I'm going to be using Zoom. I find it a little bit better for our purposes for this class, especially for this Explore project. So what will happen is I will be sending you guys a link to that Zoom. I think I'm going to send it, I'm going to try to send it in the Google Classroom, see if it works. If not, it'll go through to your email, and then you will enter the Zoom meetup through there. You may have to download Zoom on your iPads, which is a pretty easy app to download. You just go in and type in Zoom, ZOOM, and download it. It's free. And make sure you use your Saint Isidore. I'm sorry, Mercy High email, and that will be your username because you won't be able to go into the meetup unless you use your Mercy High email because that's the domain we're going to be using. Okay, so make sure when you download Zoom on your iPad that you're using your Mercy email as your username. Okay, and then you go to the link on 11 at 11 o'clock on Friday. All right. And then what we'll do is we'll take turns. We'll rotate between the partners, and you will be presenting your slide or Google Doc. I'll be the one who's kind of running the slides or the Google Doc, so I'll move it up and down the screen, and you guys will be permitted to speak at that time. All right. Cool. If you have any questions on that, do wait until Wednesday when the assignment is released because the instructions are going to clear up a lot of what I don't say here. Okay. But yeah, do reach out to me if you have any problems with that. And make sure you're working together on this, okay? I'm expecting each member of the partnership to be contributing equally to this assignment. It is an individual grade, all right? Yes, your group gets an overall grade, but your individual grade grows into it as well. And it's a huge part of your grade moving forward, all right? It does go under the projects criteria or category in the gradebook, so it's a big deal. So make sure you're working together on that. And then lastly for this week, you do have a part review on page 166, 1 through 6 that's due to me. All right. That's about it for me this week. Make sure that you are reaching out to me if you have any technical difficulties. Let's see. Make sure that Friday's a pretty big day, so make sure that you have access to the internet at 11 o'clock on Friday. All right, plenty of heads up here. So make sure you plan it out because the presentation is going to be a part of your grade too. So make sure you're there. All right, that's all for me today. Remember, stay safe, stay well, and God bless.